I gotta work with her one hand, Nathaniel, because you don't want me to put you down. Cooked peanut butter. Cooked peanut butter. Added my cooked peanut butter. Peanut butter. I'm going to be adding some fish, okay? I baked this in the oven. I'm going to be adding hubby's favorite, mackerel. Mackerel. And then I have some catfish. Ooh, this is like, this looks so, this is catfish. What am I talking? What are you talking, eh? What are you talking? I think this is enough fish. Yep, and the soup is done. Just going to let this fish cook in the soup. I do more fish because my husband loves the fish. I'll probably eat the catfish head. All right, soup is done. I'm gonna let this cook in here for 10 to 15 minutes, and voila.